My name's Adam, welcome to RRG Toyota. So today we're going to be formally introducing you to the all-new Yaris Cross. So as you very well know, we've got quite a few SUVs in our range, but this new addition meets a perfect point. So you've got the RAV4 being the big SUV, and then you've got the medium SUV with coupe styling, the CHR, and now the all-new Yaris Cross. And I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely stunning vehicle. So we're going to be guiding you around this car in a few different test drive modes. So some people living in rural areas will want to see the off-road capabilities. In addition to that, you've got the city dwellers. You may live in the middle of the city centre, benefiting from things like EV mode. And we're going to be showing you a bit of a mix of things like motorway driving and a combination of its off-road capabilities as well as its EV capabilities as well. So let's dive right on in to this all-new stunning Yaris Cross. So we don't just want you to take our word for it. Come on down and actually have a drive of one of these Yaris Crosses. To give you an idea, we've actually taken it in a few different environments, and the route we had composed of was Manchester city centre, sort of rougher ground to simulate an off-road, and also cruising as well, all combined into one test drive. And we've actually averaged 56.9 mpg for all three routes combined. So some of the key features as well on the car are also adaptive for our motorway users. So things like adaptive cruise control as standard, along with lane tracing and lane assist. You've got all the safety features combined from some of the premium models, but in the all-new, smaller Yaris Cross. So just to recap on how hybrid technology works, you've got a conventional petrol engine hooked up to a series of electric motors and a high voltage battery. At lower speeds, you'll be setting off and driving in just electric mode, and as and when required, the petrol engine will kick in to get you up to a higher cruising speed, and then as and when the petrol engine isn't required anymore, it'll simply shut off and drive in just electric modes. In higher speed conditions like motorways and dual carriageways, you may experience a mix of both petrol and electric driving, and again with a shut off if the petrol engine isn't needed, therefore maximising on your efficiency and give you a seamless, smooth driving experience. So just like the award-winning Toyota Yaris that won European Car of the Year, the Yaris Cross features the same efficiency, the same power and the same hybrid technology, all compacted into an SUV. And again, it's all about the drive. So with this model being available in all-wheel drive and everybody's drive style being different, this meets all them different drive styles. So again, don't take our word for it. Make sure you get in contact with your local RRG Toyota centre and book your test drive today. Many thanks for watching, and we hope to catch you for the next video.